See, this is a bottle of water which you got filled up for me. I have here is a dropper. और नीचे मैंने एक नट लगा दिया है just to keep it straight when it is floating in the water. This is a dropper, normal dropper which you use in the Imo. ये मैंने छोड़ दिया इसमें. सबको दिख रहा है ड्रॉपर? दिख रहा है? अब देखो ये ड्रॉपर थोड़ी देर में नीचे चला जाएगा. Short. See, the dropper here goes down, comes up, stays put, goes down. It's doing all on itself. Why is it doing so? I mean, I can almost dictate what it wants to do. Yeah, but how am I controlling it?
Interesting part.
Alright, variation of pressure. We are on the right track. Pressure change could let dropper temperature another. So this is basically a very rudimentary form of engine which I will show you. Where this engine I would say is very similar to your jet engine, but the idea is different. This is very similar to your jet engines. I mean, a loss in mass causes the motion. एक चीज और देखना, जब एरोप्लेन्स टेक ऑफ करते हैं, even they create this kind of enormous amount of a vortex. When they take off, their wings create enormous vortices in the air. इसीलिए जब एरोप्लेन टेक ऑफ करता है, पहली एरोप्लेन टेक ऑफ और सेकंड एरोप्लेन टेक ऑफ के बीच में 3 या 4 मिनट का गैप होता है. ऑल्दो दे डू नॉट नीड टू, बिकॉज व्हेन अ प्लेन इज टेकिंग ऑफ, ऑब्वियसली अगर पीछे से एक बार एक के पीछे एक भी आप लगा दो तो कोई कोलिजन का कोई चांस नहीं है. तो भी एक प्लेन टेक ऑफ करते हैं, उसके बाद 2 या 3 मिनट का गैप होता है, उसके बाद अगली प्लेन को उड़ाया जाता है. दैट्स बिकॉज कि वो हवा में दैट प्लेन हैज क्रिएटेड वॉर्टिसेस, दे वेट फॉर देम टू डिसइंटीग्रेट. नहीं तो दोज वॉर्टिसेस आर इमेंसली पावरफुल. दोज आर अगेन टोरॉइडल वॉर्टिसेस, दे आर इमेंसली पावरफुल. वो पीछे वाली प्लेन के बैलेंस को बिगड़ा, दे कैन डिसरप्ट इट. So this motion on a broader scale, there are 2 periodic motions in this. One period is this seesaw period, and a longer period is it will move, slow down, again move, again slow down. Now it has again. I of course would have loved to show you some demonstration with liquid nitrogen, but the container for keeping liquid nitrogen costs around 20,000 rupees, so that was beyond. So do you see the broader period in this thing, in the motion? You see there are 2 time periods.
Why does it slow down?
Huh?
Why does it slow down?
That's for you to think. Try this at home and think what's happening.
Because masses again become equal of R.
Yeah, that obviously is happening. You can have a conclusion of it. I'll show another example of conservation of momentum.
does it go?
Elastic. Let's try with these two balls. Why does the ball jump so high?
Because the green ball strikes it, also strikes it. Apart from the red ball bouncing itself, the green ball also pushes it.
So, correct. So we have these two balls, which probably would be this high. Now when I have these two balls on top of one another, yeah. So I'll be mathematically rigorous about this, but since sister is here for a short while, I'll obviously cover this, what I've heard, and then I'll go to the mathematics of it. You all have had studied rotational dynamics, and you all have had probably learned cycle as a kid. At that time you must have wondered, why is it so easy to balance a cycle while it is moving? Have you or have you not? And probably you have lost that sense of wonder because now you are old and you have got conditioned to the situation, or you have believed that obviously a moving two-wheeler should balance and a static two-wheeler should not balance itself. But have you ever wondered, why does this happen so? Why is it so easy to balance a moving two-wheeler and not a static two-wheeler? This is a little high level rotational dynamics. I will give you a very poor man's version, mathematical derivation of it. Can one of you please pick it up? So this instrument this is a static wheel, right? If I hang it, it did what you would think. Now just watch this very, very carefully. It's probably going to be a eureka moment for you all.
Wow. Amazing.
Against all intuition, right? Want to feel the, anybody wants to have a feel of it? Yeah, you come here. Just hold this. Oops. It will try to resist your, hold it very hard. And you can feel the force a rotating wheel can give you. Try to change the axis. No, try to swivel the axis. Can you feel the force? Sister, I would like you to have a touch at it. Just hold it very tight and try to change the axis. Can you feel that it's trying to resist the change in motion? So this is probably such a common fact in our life, but we have got so conditioned we don't even think of it. That why does a motorcycle, when it's moving, balance itself, but when it's static it does not balance itself? What is this? This is a balloon with a coin inside. Obviously, it's, again, you must have tried this. I don't know if you have tried this, but it's a very handy tool for a gyroscope. What I have here is a coin which tries to maintain its vertical axis of rotation. Can you see that? Can you see that there is a coin which is rotating inside? What you see in a circus, a motorcyclist in a globe. Why is this happening? This is the very same phenomena that you experienced here. So I have some Eno here. And there is water already inside. This Eno stuff is effervescent. पानी नहीं है शायद. ठीक है, तो ये इट्स योर वेरी बेसिक वर्जन ऑफ अ रॉकेट व्हिच गोज आउट इनटू स्पेस। बट अब इसकी हम ये देखेंगे ऑन अ पार्टिकुलेट लेवल हो क्या रहा है यहाँ पे। व्हाट इज योर, किसी ने इनो का वो पैकेट पढ़ा हो तो उसमें बेसिक कंपाउंड क्या होता है? हाँ, सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट। ठीक है, और सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट पानी के साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो क्या बनता है?
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड।
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बनता है। पर चलो गुड, वी आर द राइट पाथ, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बनता है और इनो लेने से द पाथ दे आर ट्रेसिंग। So these are your toroidal vortices. सबको लिखा? मुंह पे मॉर्टिन आ गया, इसे मुंह पे मॉर्टिन करनी पड़ती है। वापस लिखा यहाँ से लिखा। Shoot it up. Anything in the toroidal vortices? Because I wanted that the Brownian motion in this class to be as less as possible, and we will see this in clusters. Come as close as possible. सबको आओ और एक काम करो, let's make this systematic. Surround the table and come and kneel down. Kneel down and surround the table. Come at this level. Come at the level of the glass. इस तरफ भी आ जाओ भाई, किसी को ये टेबल को हिलाओ मत यार. I don't want the water to be disturbed. इधर भी आ सकते हो कोई, किसी को अगर आना तो, ठीक है। मेरा टॉपर कहाँ गया? हाँ, इसमें बहुत मोमेंटरीली एक वॉर्टेक्स बनेगा। तुम यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखना, बहुत मोमेंटरीली वॉर्टेक्स बनेगा which will be a toroidal ring of this ink. You can consider this ink to be a high pressure, I mean a denser material, which is the high pressure air, and this is your atmosphere, and it will be a very momentary टोरॉइड। इसको तुम्हें बहुत ध्यान से देखना पड़ेगा। ध्यान से देखो, नीचे एक वॉर्टेक्स जा रहा है, दिख रहा है, विच इज स्प्रेडिंग आउट एंड इट विल डिसइंटीग्रेट इन अ मोमेंट। कैन यू सी दैट?
Yes, yes.
दोबारा दिखाता हूँ। अब एक काम करो, तुम लोग हटो, तुम लोग भी हटो, पीछे वाले आगे। With some water, and the water keeps this hanky from burning. The water evaporates itself and prevents the cotton from reaching the ignition temperature. Can you light the candle for me? वो वाला पर्दा भी लगा दो ना, पीछे वाला भी। The alcohol is on gone. You can touch it. You can feel it. Alright. But let me just. You see the amazing power of water and why this balloon is deflating itself. I can't. It's. So you can just touch and feel that the water is warm. Obviously we don't have enough time that it stays put because this thing is leaking. Anyways, I think you have got the idea what I'm trying to arrive at. You normally do not touch it. Why is it easier to clean stuff with a soap?
Because soap reduces the surface tension of water.
Great.
Increases its penetrating power.
Increases?
Penetrating formation.
Yeah, and there is also a thing called missile formation, right? हम देखेंगे कि साबुन से सफाई आसानी से क्यों होती है। मेरे पास यहाँ पे क्या है, दूध, और दूध में ऊपर फैट मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, फैट ग्लोब्यूल्स, मक्खन होता है। फैट इज योर greasy substance and here I have some food coloring। खाने से जो दाग लग जाता है, जो आपके कपड़ों पे दाग लग जाता है या बर्तन में जो दाग लग जाता है, this is some edible food color। Okay, to add more drama to it, let me put some ink, उससे भी स्ट्रेन हो जाएगा प्रोसेस। So you have this typical scenario। अब इस लिक्विड सोप में एक तरफ एक हाइड्रोफिलिक पार्ट, एक हाइड्रोफोबिक, ठीक है, और जो हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट है वो फैट मॉलिक्यूल्स को खींचेगा एंड यू विल हैव लॉन्ग चेन्स एंड इट विल आल्सो रिड्यूस द सरफेस टेंशन ऑफ द एंटायर सिस्टम। So basically you have this missile formation, but अरे यार आराम से वीट क्यों लगा देते हो, आराम से बोल, सबको देखने दो। तुम देख रहे हो this entire soap is, there are now long chains of missile forming, the fat molecules are getting attracted here and this is basically a collection of fat molecules in here। तो your this color is being pushed away और इसका जो हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट है वो फैट मॉलिक्यूल्स को अपनी तरफ खींच रहा है and you have this long chain of fat molecules। So you will see there will be a lot of dancing around। Now you see what isopropyl alcohol will do। Can you see the surface tension being all messed up? This is really cool।